Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I want to show you something interesting here. I posted this plan for CVX June the 5th. And the nice thing about this plan is that it confirmed today on June the 7th. Let's take a look together here. Let's just take a look together. But we had to even pay more. But I want to just show you the power of big picture thinking and planning. You know, I do this over and over again and over. And this is one of the best performing stocks today. I mean, on top of, you know, like Tesla making great gains and all that. But anyways, let me show you, you know, and this everything hitting targets, and then we got the pullbacks and some stuff. But let's take a look at this here. Let's take a look together, okay? So I kind of, let me just, okay, so basically here I said let me move this here. CVX set up to test 133 to 135. The July 20th, 125 calls are great to use, which gives this time. That's right, people. This is more of a long-term thing. I go, CVX breaks above 124, it confirms low risk here. A lot of gains from the confirmation point. Once it breaks 129, again, boom, and we will be in if all goes well. So listen, we are already in, but the real move is if it gets above 129. So I'm giving people a heads up who are, get yourself inside of Power Group Trades. But you know, we're inside before the major, a stronger move can come in. Today's move in CVX, we're gonna go into the charts to take a look. Now you could see at the time the 125 calls cost $225. Of course, that's not what we paid because they did a gap up. We had to buy it in the 125 areas. Let's go inside of Power Group Trades. Let me show you the confirmation. Okay, so let's go to the confirmation. Give me a second. Okay, so this is June the 7th. You see, this is 3 hours ago, as it's over 12 p.m. as I'm making this video. So CVX confirming with the July 20th 125 calls at 325. So they cost about almost 50% more on confirmation from the plan that I made because we had to wait for confirmation, right? But it doesn't matter. Let's take a look at what they are. Let's take a look at the charts here, and give me a second here. All right, so here we are inside the charts here. And see right now, like I said, it's after 12 p.m. So you can see here, see the time, and see, watch, it's clicking in real time here. And then if I click there, see, look over here, and you're going to see, like when I click over here, look over here, you can see today's June the 7th. Now, look at the way we open. Look at the open, see, 124.99. So listen, we had to pay $1 more. So the options, you know, the spreads they narrowed down and moved, right? If we go and take a look, let's take a look together on a 3-minute chart for a second here. Let me move this over here, and you can see we gapped up, right? This is a 3-minute chart, and so you can see that you could this was easily bought within the 125 area. At the time, the options cost 325, what I showed you. So the move has just begun, but we're in a really good spot here because the key is, will this bust the 129 area? And then I'll be watching it there. But we are already in and I'll be making a follow-up video. But this plan was for if everything goes well, for a couple of 100% gains in a longer term plan. You see, this is big picture thinking. You know, you think the stock clown can do stuff like this? People, listen, people, the stock clown can't do this type of stuff. You know, he's a clown, right? He's bearish the market. These old world skills. All these, there's so many terrible stock clowns out there. They have no skills. Listen, stick to the new era about power. Look at it. Listen, look at the market. Look, I'll put up Tesla here, people. Let me put up Tesla quickly. TSLA. Just give me a sec here. Let me put up Tesla here. Yeah, you see now Tesla hit 330 targets, pulled back. SPY kind of being flat today, right? SPY being flat, right? But my breakout, my reverse, see, flat is kind of flat right now. I see that's the time. So let's put up the CVX again. All right, there. So there you have it. Right now, you can see these are almost, you know, a good 40-50% gains already. On a day where the SPY has moved a lot and it's resting from its great gains, and great stocks like Google L making huge. Well, today's today Google L, of course, is pulling back, but we made great gains in Google L and great gains in AM. And see, I do stocks that a lot of people can get into, easier stocks. Holding a CVX is going to be a lot easier than getting into a Tesla. But it doesn't matter. My plans are just through the roof of winning. And this is educational for you to learn. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detail. Listen, people. If you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, go to my last live stream in the beginning. Just within the first 5 minutes, you'll find. Just pay attention at the beginning. There's a little bit of a problem I had in the beginning, but listen carefully to the beginning of this live stream. You should listen to this live stream. I explain all the big gains, and I explain how wrong a lot of stock clowns have been, the big picture. And then I suggest you study my creative playlist. Listen, you want to know what I'm about. Don't become a member unless you enjoy my work. I'm here. Listen, I got a lot of great members, and I don't want serious people that want success, not lazy people. Lazy? That's what I say to the lazy people. I'm showing you the big picture. I'm showing you why I'm the big picture expert. Win after win after win after win. The stock clown crying like a baby. Where? If the market's too high. Stock clown. Anyways, people, I'm the big picture expert, decimating and cremating most people out there. They have no skill compared to me. None. Big picture. I said CVX. I told it was. Listen, people, you saw what I said, right? You saw what I said. Now, I suggest to get a YouTube account. I do live streams. You can ask me some questions and stuff like that. Listen. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Come here, subscribe manually. If you have one already, see this picture of me at the end of the video. You're going to see it in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Listen up, people. Check out my. I got a couple of great videos for you to see that are nicely highlighted, easy for you to see. Just let's go quickly together. Let's go to Power Target Trades. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Here it is. See this? Oh, listen to me. You want to see this story here. Google L. $1,000 gift sent from one of my. This is out of free will sent from one of my members inside of Power Group Trades. Check out the Amazon. This Amazon win and Goldman Sachs. You see it. Apple, you name it, back in February, difficult. Every type of I'm a Apple. Listen, people, I don't want to talk about it. If you know about me, I'm a long-term Apple long. And also check out how I decimated and cremated the world record holder when it really counts. We're talking about big picture skills. February 11, 2016. Decimation and cremation of the so-called world record. I put him in. You know what? Going against me, with big money, he has to go in. He couldn't do these plans like Power. Can't help people like me. See, he can't do it. Doesn't have the skills. Ha ha. Anyways, people. Enough of my ranting. Listen up, people. So let's see what I say. Let's see what I say here. Power Target Trades Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. Also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like